Are you fed up with feeling like your financial destiny is determined solely by an algorithm based on your behavior? Do you want to know the secrets credit bureaus have been hiding from you? Well, sit tight and buckle up because we've got some top secret information on how you can beat the system and raise your credit score. Welcome to Financial Literacy. Here, we are dedicated and passionate about bringing you nothing but honest and straightforward facts about your money. We will help you take control of your finances and get you to the next level. Beginners or experienced, this is your one-stop shop for all things financial literacy. Yup, you heard me right. In this video, we are going to talk about the secrets that the credit bureaus are hiding from you. But be aware though, as some of these actions may seem biased. We are not here to pass judgment. Rather, we are here to arm you with the information you need to change your behavior and get those approvals. Stay with us, subscribe, and we'll show you how to use your credit to your advantage to acquire assets and free yourself from the debt golden chains. First up, it's important to understand that the three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, are not government agencies. Despite the name bureaus, these are private, for-profit corporations. They are governed by federal laws, which are mostly covered by the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Credit bureaus wield a lot of power in Washington as independent businesses. These businesses generate billions of dollars annually and rely significantly on their connections to banks, collection firms, and other lenders. The FCRA, however, imposes some limitations on the methods used by credit bureaus to gather and report customer data. It establishes standards for privacy, justice, and accuracy. Customers have the option to challenge mistakes on their credit reports. In terms of their relationships, banks and credit bureaus have a close relationship because these businesses are each other's primary customers. Most of the information that credit bureaus collect and later monetize comes from banks. The bank assesses your credit report when you request a loan, a credit card, or any other type of credit. The bank will base its decision on this appraisal when determining whether to approve or deny your application and what precise terms and conditions will apply to your credit. As a result, the direction of your financial journey is greatly influenced by your credit score. To sum up, you may not be aware of the extent to which credit bureaus affect your credit score. But with these insider tips and a better understanding of credit bureaus, you can make more informed decisions about your credit and gradually improve your credit score. Never forget that knowledge is a powerful tool. Use it to manipulate the system and take control of your credit score. Are you up for more insider secrets? Because I still have a lot more tea for you guys. Surprising as it may sound, credit bureaus are not immune to the occasional slip-up, and their aura of infallibility is, indeed, a facade. It might be a bit shocking at first, considering the substantial role they play in shaping your financial profile. However, it's essential to recognize that at their core, they are human-driven entities. And humans are prone to making errors. Think about it. They collect, store, and manage vast amounts of data from countless individuals and organizations. With such an enormous volume of information flowing through their systems, the occasional mix-up or oversight is not only possible but quite probable. For example, they might accidentally combine your credit information with someone else's, which could affect your credit score and financial stability. Additionally, credit bureaus can take a while to update your records. Because life is dynamic, your financial situation may quickly alter. Whether you've settled a debt, paid off a loan, or fixed an error, these alterations ought to ideally appear in your credit report right away. However, credit reporting agencies don't always keep up with life's pace, and this delay might have an impact on your financial status. Next is a not-so-secret thing, but hear me out. Credit bureaus are notorious for errors. Yes, you heard that right. They can mess up your credit report in more ways than one. Are late payments showing up as missed payments? Check. Inaccurate account information? Check. Outdated or duplicate records? Check, check, and check. It's like they have a talent for making your financial life a complete mess. Have you ever made regular payments out of a sense of duty only to learn that the credit bureaus somehow misclassified them as missed ones? It's not simply an uncommon occurrence. For many people, it's an upsetting reality. Just imagine how frustrating it would be to know that you met your financial obligations, only to discover that this misrepresentation has damaged your credit score. It's a total whack. Next secret. Did you know that every credit report request leaves a digital trail? Your credit score may be impacted by those hidden inquiries, which also give the impression that you are credit hungry. The real kicker is that not every inquiry is made equal. Some can affect your credit score more than others, such as those made by prospective lenders. So it seems like credit bureaus are playing favorites with who gets to peek into your financial life. We have one more secret for you: the shady side of credit ratings. Credit reporting agencies keep their scoring procedures under wraps, even though these enigmatic numerical evaluations have the power to influence your financial future. While they might give a broad overview of the key elements influencing your score, such as payment history and credit use, the complex algorithms themselves are still kept behind lock and key. It seems like they would love to keep us in an ongoing state of intrigue and perplexity as we speculate about their enigmatic inner workings. So right now, you're probably thinking, what do I do about it? Well, we've got you. Now that you know the secrets, it's time to know how should you rule your credit reports. Remember the old saying, knowledge is power? Well, it couldn't be truer when it comes to dealing with credit bureaus. The more you know about how they operate, the better equipped you'll be to navigate their twisted world. So go ahead and arm yourself with all the information you can find. Read books, watch videos, join forums, and become an expert in the crazy universe of credit bureaus. Next, think of your credit report as your financial health report card. It is crucial to keep a close eye on it because it gives insight into how credit bureaus see your financial situation. Establish a regimen for checking your credit report in the same way that you would for your yearly physicals. Be alert for any unusual occurrences, discrepancies, or unidentified accounts that may have crept into your report. A healthy financial position is maintained by being proactive in managing your credit. Last but not least is to dispute the errors you see in your report effectively. Write a clear and forceful dispute letter. Compile all the proof you can get and send it to the credit bureaus. Make it clear to them that you mean business. Keep in mind that your best ally is documentation. Gather as much proof as you can to support your allegations. This could include copies of your bills, payment receipts, creditor communication, or any other relevant documents. Your argument becomes stronger the more complete your supporting documentation is. Well then, that's it. In a nutshell, you now hold the key to unlocking the secrets of credit bureaus. Use this newfound knowledge to empower yourself on your financial journey. Remember, the goal here is to take control of your credit and make informed decisions. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our following videos.